Hello learners, welcome back. Today we're gonna learn how to change desktop background picture. So there are several methods, but we're gonna start with the first method, which is like that. You click the right click button, okay, then go to the personalize. In the personalize, you will see background option. It is by default selected, and then you can choose a picture or a solid color, slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. Here is you can see a browse option. From here you can browse your picture. This will open pictures folder and you can select any picture like this one. I will select this one, then click on the choose picture, and you will see that the picture is now set as a background picture. Now the second method is to directly go to the folder where picture is located. Okay, then simply click on any pictures, right click. Okay, then you will see an option set as a background, desktop background. Click it, then you will see like it is set as a desktop background picture. And there is one more option or a method. You can say like just click window plus I. This will automatically open this background setting. If it's not, then it will open, again press window plus I, and this will open the settings. Here you will see personalize option, then go to the personalize and repeat the whole process. Like you will click on the browse, choose a picture, and like this one, choose a picture, and this will set it as a background picture like this one. So in this way you can set a picture background of your desktop. Thank you. Subscribe.